Welcome to Stronger Together. Let's review how to use the MyCoach app. If you have 3 workouts each week, you will find those on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If you have 2 workouts each week, you will find those on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can choose which days of the week you'd like to do your workouts. It does not have to be those days. When you're ready to begin, find your workout, hit Start Workout. You'll always see a preview of the entire program. Hit Start Workout again, and then you can choose to move it to today if you're not doing it on the workout day it's assigned to. We have a warm-up section that you'll go through once. These are mobility drills. Then you'll have, depending on the day, core and strength exercises in circuits, and then you'll finish with a cool down. You'll notice for every exercise you have the set and the reps, a video button you can click to see a video demonstration of the exercise. You can add sets, so you can tell me how many reps you did per set. If it's something that involves weight or resistance, you can write that down. It will also keep track of that, so then the next time you go to do this workout, you can look back at the history button and see exactly what you did for weight. Once you get through each of the warm-up exercises, hit next. When we do strength or core exercises, we use supersets, which means you are going to repeat the exercises, but you'll do each one before you repeat. So, for example, in this series, you're going to do 12 reps of goblet squats, then 12 reps of one-arm dumbbell chest press. Take a rest, then we'll go back through and do those goblet squats again and the chest press again. On these programs, I often will assign you 3 sets. So to go through everything 3 times, you do not always have to do 3 sets. You get to choose if you're going to do 1, 2, or 3 sets. Your energy, your sleep, your stress, all of that will dictate what you have the capacity for that day. You never have to do it all. But I would love you to write down what you do so we can chat about it. I can see your progress. If you have questions, you can make a comment. So you'll see history there. You can write a comment for me. You can tell me how it's going, anything that's not working, if you need a modification, if you're having any pelvic floor symptoms, whatever the case may be. So then you just hit next when you're done with those 2 exercises. Here we have another grouping of 2 exercises in a superset. So you'll do step ups for 10 reps each leg. You will do bicep curls for 12 reps each set together. Go back through, repeat these another time or 2, continue hitting next. Your last movement is a cool down. It's a stretch. You'll do that once. When you're all done, hit the complete button. Here you can leave me a message about the entire workout if you like. You can always send me pictures or videos of you doing an exercise. Let's say you're like, this just feels off. Can you watch my form? Can you give me suggestions? I'm happy to do that anytime. And then one other thing I'd like to show you is if you look across the bottom here, you'll see the message tab. So you can always send me a message. If you go to the profile, the very right, you'll see this resources option, and this is where you'll find more information for your program, whichever one you're in. Links, videos, PDFs, all of the things. Okay, enjoy your first workout.